Hello everybody, welcome back to Monster Train. I'm the Rogue Knight, and we're gonna try something new. Hopefully. We'll see what we get. Double random. Temper the strength of your units. We are Stygian and Umbra. We're going for an incant build, obviously, because we have incant abilities trigger an additional time. We want to set up on the middle floor? I guess it doesn't really matter. But I think we should set up on the middle floor. We should actually have someone in front of him now that I think about it. Let's put one up here. Let's do damage. Let's do damage. Let's excavator and we'll morsel. Yeah, so what we actually need is you in front. You die, which is fine. Morsel Jeweler. Magma Morsel. Sure. Yeah. He heals for 5, but we get rid of that bullshit going on that he likes to call a shield. Easy first win. No worries, and we get the unit draft. We're not really a frostbite deck, is the thing. We have to. We have to Nameless Siren because it's an incant. And it's an incant build, so we need another Stygian unit. Please incant? Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Multi-strike? Definitely you. Incant gain 1 armor. Actually, he gains 4 armor, but does he actually technically gain, because they trigger twice, right? Incant abilities trigger twice. So she'll gain rage 2 each time. He'll gain armor 6, and then an additional 1 armor. So will he gain 8 armor? Or will he gain 8 armor? It doesn't matter. So yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll actually apply damage shield to him as well. Because they're all going to be on the same floor. And then we could probably get... Yeah, I was going to say, we could probably get another unit and use it for... So you here. You here. We'll Frozen Lands, and then we'll Train Steward. It's not ideal. For right now, anyway. And then we'll do that. We'll do that. And then we'll Magma Morsel and Rubble Morsel. So yeah, we want something that'll eat our morsels. We want a morsel eater, essentially. I don't really care how much damage he does to us. Because that's why we have damage shield, right? You. And and we'll give you more damage. And then we'll double rubble here. Especially with the morsels being technically incant triggers, it's kind of huge. I realize we're gonna lose him, but that doesn't really matter because she's got an insane amount of rage on her. So, Crypt Builder's interesting. If we can get an offering token, we'll be well off. Yeah. Do I want Life Shield? Probably Life Steal, actually. So we have our 3 units that we need. We don't need another unit. What would we upgrade spell-wise? Probably nothing, actually. Let's just do more damage. If we were to double something, what would it be? Nothing. Again, not a lot of Ember manipulation, so those don't really fit in the deck very well. We'll take the Pyro Remains, not that they're useful at all, but... Explode twice. I really hate that. He got rid of his damage shields, which is rather annoying, actually. Should I Crypt Builder here? We'll take 3 less damage, so we actually won't lose our shield. Well, the life still was useless there. We actually need to Frozen Lance that, which is fine because we can do that. And then we'll Frozen Lance you. We'll give you that, and we'll give you that. Now, if we could get... Give you those 2. We might as well do it on this floor. Just because of the incants. And then if possible, because they're going to zoom up to the top. It's not really that big of an issue. Magma Morsel's good. Honestly, we should train Steward behind you. And then we'll Rubble Morsel. Shade Split Morsel Jeweler's fine. The double incant triggers is huge for us. And I know you're saying it seems useless to have another floor, but it's kind of just a backup floor in case something goes wrong, really. Fuck. It's too good not to. A morsel maker behind our... Ooh, what do we want, actually? I apologize for the noise. Probably capacity, really. Because that gives us 1 extra capacity on our middle floor. What would we dupe? Nothing, really. I don't want a unit, though. But I'd rather get rid of cards. Because we don't need these train stewards anymore. They're kind of just rubble. We've never had Conduit 3, have we? We haven't had Conduit 3. But the sweep is really nice. I'm going for Conduit 3. Why? I don't know. That's kind of big. What does that mean? That means it leaves us with no space if we do that. Yeah, but he's got 60 health and 35 attack, though. I'm thinking about the and can't gain 1 armor. Just because she'll have armor and rage. The armor won't get very big, but it seems like it would be worth it. And then we'll just give him the damage stone and get rid of another train steward. We'll look at the Umber units. Okay. We have a lot to play. Spikes, huh? Yeah, that's fine. They gain damage every floor they go up. Can we set up bottom floor and kill? No, we can't. Which I'll admit is a little disappointing. We'll just get rid of you. Weight of contrition, oh no. Please give me a damage. Oh, it did. It's not gonna kill though. Please, for the love of God. Oh, I just realized we can't do that. I've made a terrible mistake. Morsel Master will kill you. Oh, we could have played that, dude. I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's not good. That ruins our deck, actually. Like, just completely ruins it. Okay, so note to self. Really counting on this lifesteal at this point. How much damage do you do? 16. Do we survive? Wow, we do. Congratulations, dude. It's kind of big. It's kind of big. Yeah, gotta love the lifesteal. The lifesteal is just so big. That's why he's our top floor. What is that? Morsel units gain damage shield 1. Guardian Stone, huh? Consume, enhance a unit, draw a unit, enhance it with +5 times attack. And make it cost 0. We don't have Ember manipulation. That's the thing. Does Ember Cache make sense? Yeah, because it's a spell. Tempers the strength of our units, yes? Yeah. I think at this point we want to go over here. Unstable Vortex, get rid of the 2 remaining Train Stewards. Or get rid of a Train Steward and get rid of a Lance? No, we should probably get rid of a Shade Split. We'll take the Pyre, not that it matters. We can upgrade for 1 to cost -1. Definitely the Umbra Stone. Do 70 damage? Or do 16 damage? Probably 70. Alright. I really want an offering token. Armor 15. That's fine. We have to set up on the middle floor, which again isn't that big of an issue. It's kind of where we set up anyway. That's a this is a decent setup though, actually. Now if I can get my Incant Stone. I mean, we might as well. Oh, I forgot we could put him in front. And then we want you here. We want you here. We'll do that. We'll do that. That's not gonna matter very much, so we might as well do it there. Holy shit, that's a fuck ton of armor though. Not to mention we've got a big boy up top who's not even worried about it. I mean, we won't kill him, but I'm willing to take the 5. It might be more than 5 damage. Nope. I'm totally fine taking the 5 damage. Sure. They're just more incants, so... You already get lifesteal, so let's give you damage shield. And let's give you lifesteal. Morsel Maker, we'll do that, we'll do that. Is the 70 damage worth it? Push it to the back. The reason why I think it's worth it? Yeah. That's insane. I don't give a shit how much armor you take off of me. I really could not give a shit. We took a little damage, I'll admit, but... Glacial Seal, huh? Yo, they really want me to do Prism Retrieval. It could be huge, actually, for us. Like, Prism Retrieval and the Crucible Collector. 5x damage if we just... I can't, though. We just don't have the manipulation in our deck. The Ember manipulation's not high enough to even consider it, in fact. We'll take the artifact. We'll do merchant costs. I'll take the Ember, or the Pyre. When you summon your first morsel unit, each turn draw one. Sure. Mind Jacks, +2 on the middle floor? That's where we set up normally. What would that mean for us? That would mean we could play our Unnamed, our Nameless Siren, our Guardian Stone, our Titan Bane, and 2 morsels. I could be going out on a limb, but I think it's gonna work. Gotta be honest. For Loco, it's not good. I'm not a fan. So that's a little annoying. Especially considering the fact that we don't start with anything useful. Oh shit. You're kidding me. Really? You gave me my Morsel Master and my Morsel Maker. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna have to put you here. And I can't do that. Great. That's exactly what we wanted to see. Like, 100%. Yeah, I know. I'm fully aware, thanks. Can I still put the Guardian Stone? I can. Luckily. Should have done that on the floor below. But oh well. It's pretty amazing that we still survived that. Get 2 Weight of Contritions. Self-mutilation cards. Gotta love them. We'll definitely use that. Definitely use that. Take 2 damage. It's annoying, but we'll deal with it. Don't give me another one. You gave me another one. I'm actually happy I can get that out of the deck. You're gonna do it, aren't you? Yeah, I knew you were gonna do it. Thank God we have the Excavated Ember, because otherwise that would have sucked. I can't even put a morsel up there. And we're taking damage? I don't like that. Well, we're getting a self-mutilation card is basically what I meant to say. Excavated Ember. We need to use that. We need to use that. We'll give you Trample. And I guess we'll Shade Split. For no... Oh, shit! We could have played that. I forgot. Every time you summon a morsel... Oh, I can't. I think it's reached its max. That's its max. I mean, all the fights are gonna be pretty easy. It's the beginning that's gonna get a little bit tough. No. What do we want here, though? Honestly, probably more Pyre or more Ember, just because it's a little bit tough for us to, you know, play stuff right now. We probably want to go spells, actually. Remove the cost for you, so remove consume. That would give us so much Ember. Like, an insane amount of Ember. So that's a ridiculous amount of Ember that we're about to have. And I'm actually pretty happy with the deck we have. Originally, I was gonna say we should get rid of something, but everything's kind of fine. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the 25. I always forget about that event. Okay. Have we unlocked it? Is that what that's saying, or does it just mean... Yeah, okay. We've unlocked it. We see what it is. $20 magic power and consume? No. We've got one more after this. We'll see what's there. You have Trample. You have 130. I don't think we can do Restore All Health when they move up. Alright. Tap this. Nameless. Crucible. Morsel Maker. Frozen Lands. Guardian. Will Morsel Make. Will Morsel Make. Will Morsel Make. And then we'll hit you. And then we might as well play these. Yeah, so that's kind of why we couldn't play our, Should we give you Trample? I think we should. You all die. So we'll do that. Beautiful. Yeah, if we can push the shield dudes to the back, we're kind of like set. we'll take... So we put the rubble morsel in front. We frozen lance. And then we put the excavator behind. Okay. You know, deal the 5 damage. He gets more than 5 armor, so it doesn't really matter. Shade split. Shade split. We'll put you in the back, and we'll double you. Crep builder, huge. Yeah. Ember cache. Shade split. Damage. 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 And a morsel. And an excavated ember. It didn't exactly pan out the way I wanted it to. But can we push you to the back? We can't. They just all die, which is whatever. I don't care. Oh, he gets more damage on Slay, huh? I didn't know that. That should give us another card. There we go. Oh my god. 204 armor, huh? 148 per hit? Oh my god. Could you imagine Rage doesn't decay on this deck? Oh, that would be disgusting. We need an X cost. With the deck we have, an X cost is big. Do we want to upgrade our units anymore? Not particularly. We also don't want to get rid of anything though. Like, I don't see the point of getting rid of stuff. I will, however, make the morsel 0. Double stack? Nope. Eh. 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 I don't care enough to remove the consume on that. And honestly, at this point, we could just purge a Shade Splitter. So here's the thing. Spells gain an extra upgrade slot. I guess it doesn't really matter because all we can do is apply that to the Umbra Stone. $20 cards. Temper the strength of our units. I think we're fine. 20 card deck's pretty good. Friendly units enter with sap 3, which will affect our morsels. But other than that, we should be fine. So we want Tethys here. Guardian in front. We're gonna have to do that. We need our Morsel Master and our Morsel Maker. Okay. Really? We need our crew. Fuck, we can't. Oh, I've made a terrible mistake. Oh no. Oh no. Well, shit. We're gonna lose. We're actually gonna lose because I don't know how to set up a fucking deck. That's gonna straight up kill us. Honestly, maybe we just should have waited. Shit. That's gonna hurt us so much. Holy shit, we're fucked. Yo, our draw fucked us. That's so irritating. The fact that all we needed was draw, but our draw fucked us. Doesn't matter because we don't do any damage. We're gonna die here. We're straight up gonna die here. Because there's nothing we can do about it. God, that's so irritating. Our fucking draw. If our draw had been what it should be, this wouldn't be a fucking issue. But of course, our draw had to fuck us, so we weren't able to... Ugh. God, that's so irritating. It doesn't matter because she dies anyway. God damn it, dude. Oh! That's so irritating. It would have been such an easy win, too. Had our draw just fucking worked with us. God damn it. Ugh! Why? Why do you have to fuck me like that? It was such a good deck too. Stygian level 10, Ancient Synergy, deal damage to the front enemy unit equal to 2 times the number of spells in your deck. 3 times. Umbra, level 9, Shroud Mitosis, create 3 copies of a morsel unit. Ugh. That's so irritating. It's so irritating that our draw had to fuck us like that. I mean, it would have worked. Like, had we been able to just get our fucking shit out there. God. All we needed to do was get the fucking... we just needed our Gorger up top. If we had our Gorger up top, we would have been set. And we would have been fine. It would have given him trample. We could have played all of our incants on one floor, which would have just gone off. Because we have 0 cost spells and just no. No, they couldn't let me just put down what the fuck I wanted to. It had to give me my Morsel Maker and my Morsel Master and fucking Tethys in one fucking draw. Why? You couldn't give me Tethys and like the Master or the Maker. It doesn't matter which one, just one of them, and then one of my attack units. Like, fuck. Anyway, after that rant, if you enjoyed the video, please leave it a like. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. And I'm about to go play Blazing Beaks, so you'll see an episode of that out today, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.